Today we are discussing excrete product MCQs in relation to habitat. फर्स्ट MCQs है एनिमल्स दैट एक्सक्रीट अमोनिया आर कार्ड। वो एनिमल्स जो अमोनिया को एक्सक्रीट करते हैं अपनी बॉडी से उन्हें डेफिनेटली क्या कहते हैं, अमोनोटैलिक। ठीक है, तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा सी। सेकेंड MCQs है द प्राइमरी नाइट्रोजन वेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर फिशेज। एज वी डिस्कस इन आवर लास्ट MCQ section that ammonia is released by freshwater animals or fishes. That's why the right option is option B. Ammonia excretion is most suitable for animal living in. As you know, ammonia excretion require lot of water. That's why it's definitely aquatic habitat. The right option is option B. MCQs number 4. Which of the following is the most toxic nitrogen waste? As we know, ammonia require lot of water to reduce its toxicity. So most of toxic waste material than urea and uric acid is ammonia. Option A is correct. Which of the following require least energy to produce? The first component of nitrogenous breakdown of nitrogenous component is ammonia, and it's required less energy as compared to urea and uric acid. So right option is option A. MCQ number 6. Which nitrogen waste require maximum water for elimination? As we discussed earlier and repeatedly we are discussing that ammonia require lot of water for its elimination. That's why the option C is correct. Sharks, mammal and amphibians are mostly. As we you can catch that mammals are release or excrete urea. So that's why sharks, mammals and amphibian you can catch that they are ureotelic. Then option B is correct. Birds and reptile conserve water by excreting. As we know, birds and reptile excrete uric acid or their waste product in the form of crystal or hard paste like. That's why they release uric acid. So option C is correct. Uric acid excreted in the form of, uric acid is in the form of dilute solution. No, it's a pure liquid form. No, it's a gas. No, it is a crystal or paste, right? MCQ number 10. Ammonotelic animals usually have these animals have efficient kidneys as well as large gills, though they are mostly release their waste through gills. That's why they have efficiently developed large gills. MCQs 10. The right option is option C. Excretion of urea instead of ammonia is an adaptation. As we know that ammonia requires lot of water and it excreted by aquatic animal. As evolution made the animals move towards land or terrestrial habitat, they face a problem of evaporation as well as water problems. That they want to reduce the loss of water. So option A is correct. Ureotelic excretion require, as you know, ammonia require much more water than urea and uric acid. So option B is correct, that less water than ammonia is required to excrete uric acid या urea excretion. Now we are moving towards MCQ number 13. Energy requirement is highest in the formation of, ammonia is first product, urea is second, and the third product is uric acid. That's why uric acid require lot of energy for their formation. MCQs number 13. Right option is option C. Amphibians in water excrete mostly. When amphibians are living their life in aquatic habitat, they release ammonia. As they move towards land, they excrete urea. So in aquatic habitat they release or excrete ammonia. Option B is correct. In terrestrial habitats or land, amphibian excrete. The right option is option B. Insects are ammonotelic, ureotelic or uricotelic. Then option is a uricotelic. Option C is correct. Human beings are human beings excrete urea. That's why they are urotelic. Option B is correct. Animals living in deserts are usually animals that are living in desert. They are not a urotelic, they are uricotelic. Monotelic is excluded because they exclusively be excreted by aquatic animals. So option B is correct. Which of the following is less soluble in water? Urea. The right option is a urea. Urea is a less soluble than ammonia and uric acid, so option A is correct. Last MCQs, MCQs number 20. Uricotelic animals conserve water, excreting concentrated urea, no. Storing ammonia, no. Excrete semi-solid uric acid, or drinking less water. So uricotelic animal conserve water by reabsorption, again and again reabsorb, and they excrete semi-solid like substance that is called uric acid. So the option C is correct.